What is up, YouTube? So I'm making this update video about my seats from yesterday or the other day's install video where I had a STI seat. Clearly I said at the end of the video, if you watched it, that everyone on Naziak or on any of the forums about seat swapping was false. My ungenius brain could not think on how to fix the seat. I just started thinking about putting new brackets or cutting off the bracket that is on the seat, making new adapters for it. And I started going on and on and on, and then I don't know what got into me, but I just tried to adjust the seat with the lever. You know, the one that goes back and forth. And I just went all the way back, and both bolts on the side of the rail on this side lined up perfectly to the holes. So I'm an idiot. So to anybody that wants to install GD seats on their 2001 Forester, their SF Forester, do it. It is spanking there. It is bolt on. There's no adjustments to it. There is nothing else that you need to do except just align the holes, and that's it. All 4 bolts are on there. I didn't have to do anything. Even somebody already picked up my old seat, so I was glad that I didn't have to break the seat railings on that one, because I was about to go nuts about it, put an adapter plate, everything. But it bolts on perfectly fine. All 4 bolts are on there. The only thing that I am having an issue with is the seat buckle, because since it's not for this exact chair, it doesn't fit exact, and I can't go more forward. This is exactly where it's gonna stay for now. I need to get me a little blade tool, rotary tool, so I can shave off a bit of it so it'll fit there perfectly. And that's about it. And the seat is excellent. Will not trade it for the world. I'm going to eventually buy another one over here so my wife can sit perfectly down on it. She's a little jealous that I have a nice seat and she doesn't when she sits over here. Oh, my baby boy's a little sick, so he's coughing in the background. But thank you guys. I appreciate everything. If you want to keep supporting the channel, give a like, subscribe, and comment down below. I hope you enjoyed this next few clips. I just recently made the car look a lot nicer. I bought fog lights because one of them just shattered. They didn't look good. They were just broken. Replaced the driver's side rearview mirror. Replaced the actual mirror, rearview mirror right here. Bam. And a few other things. So on the next video, I am going to make a list of how much I got charged for all of this, and but just make even the little puppy. This one is always broken or always gone. So I replaced that, and it hasn't been super expensive. So on the next video, we're definitely going to say how much it cost to me to keep this car looking perfect. And there's an airplane going by. So enjoy this next few clips. I am going to do a little video edit on here, so enjoy. All right.